Falls has issued a special marine warning for the Carolina and East Coast Blanche Bays. Coastal waters from Intracoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intracoastal City, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Vermilion and West Coast Blanche Bays. Waters from Intracoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intracoastal City, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near White Lake to near East Cameron 197 nautical miles south of East Cameron 222, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Location impacted include South Marsh Island 239, South Marsh Island 23, South Marsh Island 69, South Marsh Island 236, South Marsh Island 61, Vermilion 215, Vermilion 214, East Cameron 109, Vermilion 78, Vermilion 256, Vermilion 31, Vermilion 250, East Cameron 222, Vermilion 252, Vermilion 131, Vermilion 171, Vermilion 39, South Marsh Island 27, Vermilion 38, and South Marsh Island 78. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded
Got the metal objects.
These are the 3 p.m. observations.